If you need help with your domain, hosting, or any Namecheap service, contacting live chat support is one of the fastest ways to get assistance. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to contact Namecheap live chat customer support step by step, so you can send your message and get connected with a support specialist quickly. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. First, open the Namecheap website in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the Contact Us option. This is usually where Namecheap provides support choices for customers who need help with billing, domains, email, or account issues. Click Contact Us to continue. After that, you'll see the different support methods available. Here, select Live Chat. This tells Namecheap that you want to speak with a real support agent in real time, instead of browsing help articles or submitting a ticket. Live chat is often the quickest way to resolve common questions. Next, click the chat bubble in the bottom right corner of the page. Depending on the layout, the chat icon may appear after selecting the live chat option, and this will open the support window. Once the chat box appears, you'll be prompted to begin your conversation. Now enter a brief description of your issue. Keep it short and clear so the support team can understand your problem right away. For example, you can mention whether you need help with a domain transfer, DNS settings, account access, billing, or any other Namecheap related issue. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the support specialist to assist you. After typing your message, send it through the chat window. At this point, your request will be placed in the live chat queue. Depending on support availability, you may be connected right away, or you may need to wait a short time. Finally, wait for a Namecheap support specialist to join the chat. Once they connect, you can explain your issue in more detail and follow their instructions to solve the problem. Make sure to stay active in the chat so you don't miss any replies. And that's it. You've now learned how to contact Namecheap live chat customer support in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.